this one.
Notification is sign na.
Notification is saying. कोई नहीं, है कहीं नहीं.
आ गई नहीं तो इकाना पूरा नेटवर्क का सिना दिखाई
नेट कनेक्ट हुआ कि
नहीं हो रहा है सर.
वो डाटा वो कीजिए, वो कीजिए आप
वही
नेट सेटिंग में जाकर डाटा रोमिंग कीजिए.
डेटा रोमिंग में से देखिए.
नहीं टावर नेटवर्क आ रहा है ना, नेटवर्क तो आएगा आपका. डाटा रोमिंग करेंगे ना ऑप्शन, डाटा वो बंद रहता है.
नहीं आईफोन दे बा, आईफोन दे उसमें.
नहीं नेटवर्क से. आइए
मैं कनेक्ट करूं?
सर है क्या सर?
तो मैं वही
हाँ अभी दिखा रही है निदर्शना सारीज लाइव नाउ.
नेटवर्क मोबाइल
कनेक्टेड.
अगर दिक्कत दरवाजा खोल दीजिए आप.
तू को फिर ही लग रहे थे माइक का. मगर कमेंट्स विजिबल पर सेगा देखते ना तिकाना कमेंट्स होती इसका देखा.
मैं ये वाला दिखा रही हूँ. जैसे अभी आवाज़ वाला कमेंट होती है ना.
नहीं कमेंट आई नहीं मगर.
कमेंट आई नहीं.
मगर इकाना देखा इकाना रीड करो उस कमेंट है. मरा आईफोन थी कौन देख दे.
सबर का सबर. तू एड्रेस कर मन सांग.
कहा भी नहीं ना ही नहीं एड्रेस. कौन बना एड्रेस करा उसमें नाम का लेने का.
सबर कौन से फेसबुक कौन से पेज की नहीं ना नोटिफिकेशन मदनी से लास्ट बिजनेस है. नेटवर्क का
तारो नव्हतीस का.
मुझे नेटवर्क की यही नहीं.
तर मग आता नहीं का ना को उसने.
सौजना से तू एड्रेस कर हाय बना बोलती है स्टार्ट कर नहीं तो क्या छुपा.
नहीं बा मैं लाइव ना मैं से का बना गलती नहीं 100 संगा डुबरी सा तू मग कमेंट्स आवनु मग.
नेटवर्क नहीं दे भाई
मैं मोबाइल लाऊं हॉटस्पॉट के लिए.
वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट है.
हाँ तो मोबाइल ला रहा हूँ सर. अपना हॉटस्पॉट चालू करता हूँ. ऊपर है
नहीं क्योंकि इधर आ गया.
Good evening guys, are you able to hear me? Because I cannot able to read your comments, so nothing is visible to me. I can see 133 is watching me, but I'm not sure who are all watching to me. So I'm in Weaver's place. So right now I'll be showing you how the sarees will be viewed. So I'll be here in the power loom.
मिल गया.
So let me show you all the things. It's a very interesting thing. I'll be going to show you by today. So come and travel along with me to the Weaver's place.
ये फ्लिप करता.
Yes.
You can read कर लेते.
Yes. Yeah, I'm reading the comments in my another mobile. Okay. Melvin ma'am, good evening ma'am. Sumitra ma'am, good evening. नहीं कनेक्ट इदी नहीं सिखाने मारो आईफोन ना कनेक्ट होती इसका देखती काना पावरफुल पर असन जरा कौन से बना टीम नहीं किला वीडियोस.
तू तब सही.
इकाना कमेंट्स होती नहीं मगा.
नहीं ना से तो याद है
इसमें वीडियो एंड ऑडियो एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर because I couldn't read your comments. It's totally my network is very poor here.
अब नेटवर्क देखिए ना तो
मोबाइल के तरह.
So let me wait for 5 or 10 minutes. So let my network get stable. I'll start the video.
ओके तुझे ने तो दोस्त पकड़ लिया. हेलो.
इकाना वीडियो को से बलसन नहीं दे रही हूँ.
नहीं मैं
हमारे में देना.
I will stay here. Okay.
हाँ.
You take this mobile and then show to the places.
Right. But interrupt नहीं तो सेगा बोला तर मगर जरा verify करी ना बोलो. I can see only heartins and thumbs ups and hugs are coming to me, but I couldn't read any of your comments because my network is very poor. So please give me some 2 or 3 minutes. हो ना सर.
नहीं यहाँ ब्रेक होती इसमें.
सर हॉटस्पॉट मेरा हॉटस्पॉट
हाँ हॉटस्पॉट से कनेक्ट कर दो.
Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll change the network. आता कहूँ सर वीडियो कहूँ सर गाना निदर्शन सारीज फेसबुक में देने देखा वीडियो कॉल से
जा रहा है. हाँ. ये काम कर रहा है.
मेरे से कनेक्ट कर लीजिए.
चलो जा. ओके.
Krishubha ma'am, hi ma'am. My video is not clear, I guess. Neha ma'am, hi. Sandhya Pillai ma'am, hi ma'am. Smita ma'am, hi. So I'm flipping my camera now. ये देखा.
मगरीटा तू माइक कर ले.
ये हाँ कमेंट्स में एड्रेस करो. Hope you are watching the loom. So this is how the process will be. So this is the power loom. ना ये देखा. So this is the power loom. Hope it is visible. Are you can able to see the sari weaving here? सर इसको चला सकते हैं क्या?
जैसे इस पे कार्ड किससे दिखाइए एक मिनट इस पे.
ये बोल्टा ये
हाँ.
वाली बोल्टा. What is that?
हाँ, this is the cord. This is the cord. It will go like a left and right. So this is warp, no sir. This is warp.
वार इस वार.
So this is the warp. Can I delay the this thing?
Fine.
As you can see, there is a sheet going on upstairs. So that is the design. Actually, they take the design. It's a computer design, they'll say. So they'll take the design, and this design is going to be viewed by the viewer. So the noise is more. I'm speaking little louder. Okay, stop कर दीजिए sir. So that's how the process will be. Yeah, I'll show you the back side. I mean back process also. The warp, weft, and everything I'll show you in this video. Hope my video is little blur. So please manage with my video.
One war, second war, double war.
Yeah. This हाँ हाँ.
Good girls.
सर आप बात कीजिए सर.
हिंदी में.
हाँ हाँ.
दिस सिंगल वार्प डबल वार्प इज अ वार्प इज अ वेफ्ट इज अ कटिंग इज वेफ्ट मतलब ये कटिंग से जैसे वो कटिंग होता है ना ये आपका बॉर्डर साइड आ जाएगा ये आपका पोत में आ जाएगा डिजाइन इसी से बनता है. ये बॉर्डर जैसे बॉर्डर होता है ना ये बॉर्डर में ये डिजाइन बॉर्डर आ जाएगा डबल साइड वन साइड डबल साइड और ये आपका पोत हो जाएगा. पोत में बॉडी होता है ना बॉडी डिजाइन बॉडी इससे कवर होता है. और ये आपको उसमें कोटा होता है ना कोटा वो डिजाइन गेटअप होता है. इसी से डिजाइन क्रिएटिंग होता है. इसमें आपका ये आपका पूरा पाइपिंग हो जाएगा.
Hope his explanation is clear. This is actually a border. Nimanja. Yeah, this thread is actually a border line. So this warp is a border line. So the another side of the border. So this is the another side of the border. Okay, this is your body. So this is your body warp. So this is double warp sari. So this is going to be weaved by the weaver. So these all power loom saris. So I'll show you one more section also. अभी व्यू करना बंद हो गया. हाँ This is how the process will be. Okay, this is power loom sari. Please check the process how the thread will go. I'll show you from the front side. So this is the sheet. What I'm showing you is the computerized sheet, the design. Okay. So these threads are sent apart. So these are double warp threads, and this is the design. So this is a Banaras Chanderi sari they are weaving here. This is the with the Meena border. One more Jana.
वार्पिंग देखने मशीन वार्पिंग या मंडी मशीन
नहीं वो उस जगह जाए थे ना सर.
वार्पिंग बाद में दिखा दें. अच्छा चलो बाद में दिखाओगे.
Yeah, we are next going to one more place. So please travel with me and stay with me till the end of the video. ते Magadesh का मगर गलती नहीं मगर ये रखी तो. So we are traveling to one more place. I'll show you the handloom saris also. So now we have seen is the power loom sari. So now we are going to the place where the weavers can weaving the handloom saris as well. So this is the place. You can see both power loom and handloom. So now I am entering inside. The noise will be more. Yeah. So this is the weaver's place. As you can see, the machines here. This is the handloom process. So what we have seen, the previous one is power loom, and this is the handloom sari. Pure tissue sari is weaving by. This is weaved by the weaver now. So he is the weaver. So this is the pure handloom weaving. For handloom, for one sari, it takes minimum 15 days to weave the sari. In the power loom, for every 3 to 4 hours, they are weaving one sari. Just imagine the hard work behind the handloom saris. Hardly it takes 15 to 20 days for one handloom sari. And this is one more handloom process is going on. I'll show you how they are weaving the saris. Video clear पर सेगा. Pure katan.
One sari, 1 month is one sari.
1 month, okay. So he is weaving the pure katan sari. So this sari, he is taking at least 1 month to weave a one sari. So that's how he is weaving the sari. See, this is the pure katan sari he is weaving right now. How minutely he is working with the bobbins, you just check it out. And also how fast it is with the manual process. Card. So this is card, and this is by the computerized card. So they are fixing here, and this weaver is manually weaving the card. So he has just started the sari.
Per day 10 hours is working.
For 10 hours working. Per day this weaver is working for 10 hours. To finish one Banaras sari, he is taking 30 days. One pure Banaras sari. And this is
Kati machine.
Kati machine. And this is the process of thread. Usually these threads they are using for the sari weaving. This thread they are doing with the machines. See, so that's how this machine works. Okay, that's how they ready these threads. Okay. Live में सेका. I mean live. Okay. Okay. Next जाएंगे सर. हाँ. Next I will be showing you some cotton sarees. So this is also power loom saree. Hope my audio is clear. See how the power loom process will be. So this is a pure cotton mercerized saree. It's a mercerized cotton. Yeah, this is a pure mercerized cotton saree. He has just stopped the machine because the noise is too much. You cannot hear my voice otherwise. So this is a dupatta, pure jute cotton dupatta. It's a dyeable dupatta. See how the dupatta process is. The one side the body the body is getting ready, and the other side one more dupatta is getting ready. There are two sides. The dupattas are getting ready. So it's a jute dupatta, dyeable ones. So once the weaving is ready, so they will dye the dupattas. Audio clear. Audio clear है.
क्लियर है.
Yes. ठीक है सर. Audio clear है.
आप ऑफलाइन भी बता सकते हैं हैंडलूम को. हैंडलूम को ले लीजिए ऑफलाइन में.
मगर नहीं मैं काट दूँगा वो मैंने दीटा और एक वो कंचोई जाएंगे. So yeah,
हैंडलूम को दिखा दी मैडम.
हाँ, handloom. I have showed the handloom also. Hope I have cleared all the things, handloom as well as the power loom. So this is pure handloom weaving is going here. So I will show you how tanchai work also going. So let me show you one more place. tanchoi जगह जाएंगे. tanchoi जाएंगे. So we are moving to the Kora muslin place where the Kora muslin sarees is going to be viewed, no? So we are just moving to the tanchoi wala division. Now you got a clear idea about what is power loom and hand loom, why handloom sarees are like expensive. The thing behind the handloom sarees are the weavers are taking 30 days of hard work to weave a one saree. So that's why the handloom sarees are more expensive than the power loom sarees. In power loom they are taking hardly 3 hours to weave a power loom saree. And this is the division of Kora muslin tanchoi saree division. So here all the muslin sarees are getting ready. This is a tissue dupatta they are making here. It's a power loom process. Okay? No, it's okay, sir. And your familiar one, Kora muslin saree. So this is the Kora muslin saree, silver zari weaving in the border. This is double warp saree. I'll tell you how to identify the double warp also. So this is the silver line. So this line comes on your border. So this is your border line, and the middle portion is the body line. The other side you will get the border. See how the looms will be. So they have started weaving the tanchoi silk saree. नहीं वल्लभ sir. This is very noisy here.
काफी खत्म हो गया.
अच्छा. Acha. Tissue. This is Kora Tancho in tissue weaving. So that's how this.
Changing.
Okay. He is changing the card. So he is changing the design. That's how he changed the design. That's very interesting. Now we'll start with the sari. So this is the weaving process of the sari, and this is the thread used using for this tissue sari. So actually they have done with the pallu, and they are weaving the body portion. So hope you are enjoyed today's live. So I have almost covered all the Kora muslin, Mercedes cotton, and the handloom and the power looms.
Starting in body starting.
Body start. वही बोलिए मैंने. So now the body is. So they are weaving the body portion here. Yeah, this is the body. Yes, pallu. They have finished the pallu.
Big border.
It has got some big border, nice big border in Kora muslin tissue.
This small border.
And also one more sari is getting ready here. They have just started the sari. It's in process now. Yeah. It's in copper zari. See how the threads in copper zari. So this is the thread using in copper zari. Yeah. Yeah. This they are calling as grafting. So this design they are weaving in the sari. ये क्या होता है? ये थ्रेड क्या होता है?
ये
हाँ.
जाला बोलते हैं जाला.
जाला. ये कॉपर जरी कैसे व्यू करते हैं? ये कॉपर जरी.
इसको हटाएं क्या?
हाँ. कॉपर जरी इसमें कैसा आता है? वो जरी अलग से डालते हैं क्या? कॉपर जरी पीछे. हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. So this is the process. Still they are not yet finished the sari. The process is still going on. Very beautiful sari in a copper zari. I'll show you the copper zari also. Yeah, this is the copper zari. This is the copper zari thread. So this is the beam. From the beam, the zari is the copper zari is going till here. Okay, okay. So this I have already covered it. The thread, yes, the thread machine. Okay. So they are fixing the threads here. From the thread, so they will start. Yeah.
What is your color? ये खाली है, अभी चालू करेंगे भर जाएगा.
See how the process will be. So this is the process of thread. It's a power loom process. I'm not talking much because the noise is more, so I'm not talking much. Just observe the things whatever I'm showing today. So these things you cannot get it outside. So I'm exclusively, I have spoken to the viewer. So to show you to all my viewers. Yeah. So at the end of the the process, the thread will be like this. So again we are coming to that tissue sari. Now the body is getting ready. The Meena body is getting ready. Beautiful honey color sari. Mustard color with the Meena work. Beautiful sari. So guys, tomorrow get ready for the factory sale. So I'm getting Kora muslin sari and Monica cottons and so many varieties for tomorrow's show. So get ready for the sale. I'll be announcing the time by tomorrow morning in my page. So stay tuned with me. Until then, this is Lakshmi signing off now. Bye bye. Take care.